Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to get Reddit Premium, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to know what Reddit Premium is. Reddit Premium is a subscription service that offers several benefits, such as access to the launch community, and it gives you a monthly allotment of Reddit coins. So how to get Reddit Premium? You need to click on your account icon in the top right corner, and here you need to click on Premium. Once you've done that, you can read about Premium, which is gives you, offers you, and select you want to make subscription for a year or for months. I click on month, and now you need to fill your card number, card expiration, and CVC code. Choose the country, and after that, just pay for Reddit Premium account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.